Everyone, it's Ali here from alisblog.ca. So today I'm going to share with you what's inside my Manny box. So this will be the second box that I have received. So far I've been pretty impressed. I really, liked my first box a lot. This is from Beautometry. I will leave the link down below and you can check out the boxes. So I think it's the long nail version. There's a short nail version and a long nail. I always do this long nail one because I just think usually you get stamping plates in here and I don't want to get ones that are too short and whatever, and you can always make stamps smaller and use different stuff and whatever. Anyways, so I always use that. So we're going to go ahead and get into the box. Alright, so this is probably the stamping plate. So let's see what's them inside. Alright, so we've got the Festive Collection. This is a Moo London stamping plate. Very cute. I am now making a collection of Moo London. So this is like an Eastery one, which unfortunately Easter was past by the time I got this box. But oh well, this is the Festive Collection 60. Really cute images on here. Like, look at them. They would be so perfect for Easter. I really wish I got this box before then, but I didn't. So we will, I don't know, maybe try and incorporate it into something, or maybe we'll use it next year, unfortunately. But very cute plate. All right, let's see what else. We've got a hipster one. So this is the Hipster Stamping Nail Art Collection. Your favorite nail art plate. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Ooh, it's got unicorns. So this is the Hipster Collection 22. This one looks super cute. I definitely can use this one in a design. I don't have a unicorn plate yet, so I now have one, and this one looks really cute. I will definitely be doing a nail design with this. Super cute. Alright, let's see what else we got. We'll take this one out here. Oh, it's those sponges. Sorry, that was probably really loud. Hopefully you're not listening to this on earphones. So these are like those gradient spongy things. did I have one of these? I think I had one that was a square that I got from Avon or something a while ago. Cute idea. Will definitely try that out. Different kind of sponge that I have. It says it's a stamping nail art sponge. Oh, I definitely says stamp on the image onto your nail, apply top coat finally, and enjoy your beautiful design. I have never used a sponge as a stamping thing. Well, that should be interesting. I will try that out. I don't know how that will work because then the nail polish will still be on the sponge, and how will you wash it off? We will test that out because I definitely thought it was a gradient sponge. I don't know where this is from because they always add a product in there that doesn't have an exact name. I guess it's kind of one of the cheaper products, my guess. So we will see how that goes. So looks like we've got some nail polishes here, nicely wrapped. Sorry, my camera is kind of unfocusing. Ooh, we've got a Hit the Bottle one. I've always been wanting to try the Hit the Bottle nail polishes. So this is Hit the Bottle, and this is an Australian-made 5 free nail lacquer, and this one is called Apricot Sour. Looks really cute. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, by the way, I never read the card. It says, enjoy using these stamping polish to make an awesome gradient nails. Happy stamping. And that is their information. Probably should have shown you that first. Anyways, let's see what's in this one. I really like their packaging. I think it looks super cute. And it's also very well packed, so nothing looks like it would get broken. So far, so good. Oh, we've got another Hit the Bottle polish. Very cool. And this one is called Lemon Meringue Fizz. Very like springy, festive-y nail polish colors today. Alright, let's see what our last one is. I'm excited to try these because I've never tried Hit the Bottle. Ooh, and it's pink. So Hit the Bottle nail polish again. And this one is called Bubblegum Bliss. So very cute. Very cute little polishes there. I am excited to try these because I have never tried Hit the Bottle nail polishes, and so far I really enjoyed, why does it have glue on it? That's what I'm wondering. Is that to kind of keep it from spilling, I guess? Because they all have it. Now that I just noticing it, that must be so it doesn't spill. Interesting. I've never seen that before, but good idea. Anyways, I am excited to try out all my new stuff in my box. Hopefully I will do a stamping video soon. I'll probably be getting another one of these boxes before, or maybe close to when this video actually goes up. Like I said, I was a little bit delayed with actually filming this, and then I kind of get the boxes, I don't know, like I think this is the April box, but then I get it, like they send it out at the end of February, but then I get it in the beginning of April, but then I didn't think this was the April box. I thought this was a March box. I'm not really sure. Anyways, so we will see what our next box looks like. So I hope you liked today's video. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.